Welcome to the CryptoNest. So quick update on HUT. So as you can see, we did manage to do kind of a local lower low. We were into this downtrend or descending edge. We broke out, but after now we continue to go lower, right? So you actually make a new local lower low since we break out from this descending edge again. And the last day, Friday, didn't look good. Look at this candle, right? Bulls tried to push it up, and bears, they were able to put it almost at the beginning of the movement of the day, and we had a very minimal gain for that day. So it's for sure it's lagging. Yesterday we went much higher with Bitcoin. Today I'm not even sure. Are we higher? I think we are still higher. Bitcoin, is it? No, we're kind of dancing. We're 0.13 down. Doesn't really matter though. So are we done with this pump? That's the question? Honestly, HUT need now something to pump, because otherwise we're going to even reach the 0.886. Well, for sure, I'm not going to complain. I'm going to accumulate even more. As you can see, I think last week or 2 weeks ago, I did put this alarm at $2.29 because I want to be aware if we reach this level, because for sure I'm going to get and increase my position in hot-head mining. By the way, I did read an article. Now, damn, I don't remember, but they almost have 10,000, I don't know, like 9,000 something Bitcoin in reserve. And if I recall well, also they have, let me check the article that I can read it to you quickly. Okay, so the report of September, the result, average production rate is about 3.7 Bitcoin per day, so not that bad. The total balance of Bitcoin in reserve was, okay, I was a little bit far from 10,000. It's 9,366, which 7,269 are unencumbered, which means I think they don't store them themselves. Okay, so that's pretty much the news on hot-head mining. So as you can see, they are really not poor and they have a nice budget. Just to have some maths here, let's see. I said 9,333 times Bitcoin today. I'm going to round it up at 29,900. They only have, did I do that right? I think so. So they only have 279 millions, and if they sell at today price, so I think they will be fine. Because I know on I'm not going to mention the name of the newspapers that try to do a FUD about mining, that they're not sustainable, and then they only have money for 2-3 years. They're not talking about hot-head mining, but they were referring about others. But as you can see, hot-head mining is fine. All right, so let's go back to the price action now. So you can see, yeah, we're fighting here for sure tomorrow. If price can hold the 30,000, well, I wouldn't be surprised if we go back and open at maybe $2.70 or $2.80. And for the moment, honestly, I have nothing to say for L10 mining. It's working well. It's I don't like this movement, but also, it's been a crazy week this week, right? So what can I say? It's crypto. Crypto, it's crazy sometimes. Crazy happy and crazy desperate and capitulation. But, I guess this is like maybe an understanding of how bipolar people they feel, without, I don't want to misrespect any bipolar person. Just have an idea maybe that one day you're super happy and the other day you feel crap and everything is ruin and there is no more hope. And yeah, sometimes that happened to crypto in 24 hours, right? So, or even 15 minutes if we recall the news of the fake news, fake ETF approved of Bitcoin. So, okay, so this is pretty much all for hot-head mining. Honestly, nothing to say. I'm not bearish. Very nice accumulation level. For sure, this is not financial advice. I keep accumulating, so this is my strategy. And we shall see in 1 year and a half, or near Christmas or Thanksgiving 2025, if I'm going to do the mea culpa, I was wrong and I'm a wreck now, or I'm going to quit my job. Yeah, I don't think so because I didn't invest that much, but yeah, I can pay myself a very nice vacation or many vacations. So hopefully you can do the same thing and will be about at the same price. Once again, to make money, you need to have money. So am I going to retire tomorrow or next year? Definitely not. I didn't invest that much. I do have to pay a mortgage and, so I try to do some OT actually to invest more in Bitcoin. And yeah, so this is life. You need money to make money. So now I would say it's the last sprint for us to try to make more money we can, to inject that money into crypto if you believe it's a good thing and you're convinced that crypto is the future and Bitcoin is going to flourish in the next months coming. And once again, ta-da! Did it? There you go, Bitcoin halving countdown. So, sometime if you're depressed, maybe you can just go back to this countdown. I almost, I don't want to say guarantee, but I'm pretty damn sure that in under 70 days, we should be way, way higher than $30,000 that we are today. And once again, just for a last glance of the market, you can see that today it's a little bit red, but not that crazy red. Link is still up, Rune is still up, like life is beautiful. So embrace your portfolio. I will try to make a video on what would be the coins that maybe we could start accumulating soon, so we can have an eye on it and at what levels. I'm going to try to do some research maybe tonight and during the next week, so I can give you my view on what are the coins that maybe we should, keep track on it and see if they go to a very nice accumulation level and go for it. All right, so this is all for what was to be only hot-head mining, but after now I'm diverging. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good weekend.